How to report a repair. Before reporting a repair, please check who is responsible. You can find this out by visiting www.amicushorizon.org.uk/repair responsibilities. If the repair is our responsibility, you can report this to us by clicking on My Account in the top right. After logging into My Account, click on Services. Select the My Repairs button. Now select Report a Repair. If you have an emergency repair, please call us on 0800 121 6060. If you're reporting a heating or hot water repair, please contact your heating contractor directly. For Kent, it's Swell Heating on 033 01 230 266. For London and Surrey, it's BSW Heating on 0800 142 2760. And for Sussex, it's BSW Heating on 0800 206 1369. Alternatively, you can contact Amicus Horizon on 0800 121 6060. Select the Report a Repair option. Select the property the repair is for and the best contact number. Now click Submit. Select the relevant category for your repairs using the images. Select the location of your repair. Click Make Report. You can add photos of your repairs by clicking on Photos and choose File. Select the images. Click Next. Now select Click here to choose your preferred time slots. Please select your availability and if you need us to avoid the school run. Now click Submit. You have successfully reported your repair. We will contact you with your appointment times and date.